Hey, it's Tom here from Sparky Nearby Electricians. Just wanted to run through one of the more common questions we get, which is what's the difference between a circuit breaker and a safety switch? They do look very similar, they do pretty different jobs though. A circuit breaker will protect you against house fires. Your cable's getting too hot, they overload, circuit breaker will turn off. A safety switch, however, will actually do that as well as protect you against electric shock. So if someone touches a piece of metal that's become live, the safety switch should, in theory, turn off and stop you from getting electric shock, and it will divert the voltage down to the earth. Now, you can see they're very similar, but there's one defining mark of a safety switch, and that's what's called a test or a trip switch. That makes that trip off. We don't have anything like that on a circuit breaker. So the example is, if I were to get an electric shock, this circuit breaker would stay on, but this safety switch would turn off. That's why it's now the requirement to get safety switches on all domestic circuits. Anyway, that's just a quick little rundown on why and what. And if you've got any questions, feel free to give us a call. Tom from Sparky Nearby. Thanks.